We have an update tonight on the growing concern for hepatitis A cases in our area. Dr. Cynthia Morrow with the Roanoke City and Alleghany Health Districts held a briefing today. WFXR's Amanda Lee has more on what's being recommended so you can protect yourself.
Dr. Morrow says there have been 77 cases of hepatitis A since the beginning of the year, many of them in the Roanoke City area. Now health officials are advising people to talk to their doctor about getting vaccinated.
It's scary. You really don't know if you should eat out.
Dr. Morrow says the people most at risk of contracting hepatitis A in the community are individuals who abuse injectable drugs, the homeless, and men who have sex with men.
In our community, we're seeing overwhelmingly now over 85% of the individuals that we see are individuals who have substance use disorder, including people who use injection drugs.
She says since last year, a total of 4 restaurant workers have been identified of having contracted Hep A. The Roanoke Alleghany Health Districts have been hosting vaccination clinics to help prevent further spread.
Today we're responding to a very low-risk exposure to hepatitis A by a food worker at a restaurant.
Nurse manager Mary Kate Bowser says the best thing you can do is get vaccinated prior to exposure. If you think you've been exposed, the symptoms include fever, jaundice, and gastrointestinal issues.
Vomiting, diarrhea, general illness. If you have those symptoms, the best thing to do is to go to your healthcare provider and get tested. If you feel like you may have been exposed and you're not yet symptomatic, the best thing to do is go get vaccinated for hepatitis A.
Dr. Morrow says the health department has been working with community-based organizations to help get people vaccinated. Since the outbreak, she says the district has administered over 1,000 hepatitis A vaccines, and that includes to some of the most vulnerable people in the population. Reporting in Roanoke, Amanda Lee, WFXR News.
Now you can schedule an appointment for a hepatitis A vaccination by contacting your local health department.